Welcome to JH. I recently picked up a set of guard blinds, and the first thing I noticed, aside from not needing a degree in engineering to open the box, was how solid and well-built they feel. The material is sturdy and smooth, and they were surprisingly easy to install, making the whole process actually stress-free. Because let's be honest, usually easy assembly is just a polite way of saying you're about to lose your mind in several vital screws. Once they were up, they gave the room a clean, modern look while staying perfectly practical. The slats adjust smoothly, so I can control the light or hide from the neighbors with ease. They provide plenty of privacy without making the space feel like a high-security bunker. I also love that they're easy to wipe clean, keeping them looking fresh without requiring me to spend my entire Saturday scrubbing. It's a rare win for anyone who values their free time. What I appreciate most is how they manage to be both functional and stylish. They block out the light when I need to hibernate and let in just the right amount of sunshine during the day. That flexibility makes a massive difference in how comfortable the room feels. They seem durable enough to last a long time, so I won't have to worry about replacing them until the next interior design trend tells us windows are out of fashion. Overall, guard blinds turned out to be a great mix of quality and practicality. I'm genuinely happy with how they've improved both the look and the comfort of my space without the usual home improvement headache.